Hey guys, 3D printed this little dump truck for somebody for Christmas. Looks great on this side, right? Well, when it did the supporting stuff, I flipped it over and I had to clean the supports. And you can see it's not so good on this side. How the supports kind of adheres to the little wheels and shit. I don't like this print. Printed great on this side. But when it did the support crap, it fucking screwed it all up on this side. And this took fucking 14 hours to print out. And I have a shitty product. That's trash. I'm not printing that one over again. I'm going to print something out for them.